number one complaint the buyers have about real estate agents is what? All they do is show me homes I can find on my own. You guys can Google this on the internet. I'm not making this up. So we present our VIP buyer seller presentation. You guys know it's benefit rich. We put benefits on the whole thing is about benefits. The same with our loan officer side. You guys should be sharing these. You should not just be doing phone calls with these clients. Remember, we don't tell. We do like the kindergartners do. We show and tell. You guys that have kids, you love when your kids create something, draw something, make something out of sticks that you go, oh, wow. But you go, man, they tell you all about it. They're all enthusiastic about it. They do show and tell. I guess that's why the Bible says you should be more like a child. You should be energetic and curious and all the stuff that you do when you operate out here, right? Show and tell. Don't just tell people. You guys are just being so transactional. We're being so transactional as Americans when we do business. We just tell, and say, trust me. No, I don't want to trust you. You guys got to go buy a new car. Do you trust the salesperson before you get them? Or you think, all right, here we go. Time to put on my war paint. My battle. Let's go.
Yeah, that's
right?
exactly what we do.
Right.
Yeah.
Know where you are on the pecking order as far as trust, salespeople, loan officers, real estate agents. You're at the bottom with lawyers. Nobody wants to go see a lawyer unless they have to because it equates to, you got to write a check. Show benefit rich documents. We already know what those are. We have our whole document system. Show off-market homes. Examples. Melissa, this was got me so fired about Melissa the other day. She did every single step in our presentation. Like she didn't skip one. It was phenomenal, phenomenal. And it's hard to impress me, y'all. It is hard to impress me. And I'm saying she killed it, knocked it out of the park. I'm about to use it on social media and market it all over. This is how you meet with buyers. She did everything right. She even showed off-market properties, an example of them. It's not show and tell till they sign on the dotted line.
Yeah.
You're not my client until you sign, but let me show you what you might get. You know, guys, I equate everything to dating. It's like seeing that other person that you're attracted to that you just never even met. You go, my God. Right?
Yeah.
It was great, Melissa. I took some notes.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So show and tell. I'm trying to show off-market homes in your meeting. In your meeting, and if you're not doing this in your buyer presentation meeting, in your meeting, loan officers, if you're meeting with clients just on the phone, you need to meet with them on video. I know you think you don't have enough time, but you should be adding more value. That's what they want. Give people what they want, not what you want. Show them 3 scenarios on what a payment would look like on an arm, through a 7-year arm, 10-year arm, 30-year fixed, interest only. Show them that on your computer. An example. Have it already up for a $300,000 house. Use the same one every time as an example. You don't have to get specific about their situation. Hey, clients ask me all the time, what's the difference between loan programs? Here's a 7-year arm, 10-year arm, here's interest only, here's 30-year fixed. This is how they all work. They go, wow. And how long will that take you? 45 seconds. Maybe you could even record a 45-second video on the differences of loan programs and play it during your meeting, or send it prior to your meeting with them via text message saying, hey, check this out so you can see different loan programs. That's adding value, right? Adding value.